Well, good afternoon. We reported on some of those fires in the Mahnomen County area. Well, one of our viewers sent this photo to us, a very smoke-filled sunset, Tiffany said, and this was in the Mahnomen area. You can see kind of that orange glow there, and those particles, those smoke particles in the air help to create those more vibrant sunsets. So a cool view, but unfortunately it also was involving those fires, those grass fires that were happening there. So again, want to avoid, or at least be very careful while burning before we start to get things greening up. It's very dry out there right now, and especially on windy days too. Here's a look at our current conditions. Dry on our radar and satellite map. We are looking at just a few of those clouds streaming through. You can see them stretching from around Devil's Lake back down through Fargo and Fergus Falls. And then there are areas where we have beautiful blue skies going on, and this will continue to dip a little farther south, so we'll get a little more sunshine in those areas, seeing more of that filtered sun right now. Our current temperatures really warming up in the south. We're into the 70s in spots. Sisseton is at 75 already. Northern Valley, you have that cooler air in place. We're looking at some low to mid 60s for you right now. And that will be the area that is going to be cooler in comparison to what's going on in the south continuing into the afternoon. Winds have increased. We're seeing those winds gusting into that 20-mile-per-hour range. Our peak gust right now, 24 miles per hour. And again, it's that northerly breeze that's just slightly cooler than the temperatures we were experiencing yesterday. So looking into the afternoon, once again, a really pleasant day. We're going to see some temperatures into the 60s up in the north, close to 70 in some of those locations. And then again in the south, some low to mid 70s already happening right now, with sunshine continuing. And again, just a few areas where we have some clouds dipping through. So it's looking like a beautiful afternoon and evening. If you've got plans for later tonight to be outdoors, we're talking about temperatures in the 60s still at the 7 o'clock hour. Eventually, as we work our way into the late night hours, we'll see those numbers start to slide back into some 50s for us for late tonight. The wind will ease up once that sun sets, and then we're overnight dropping down into 40s. No freezing temperatures tonight yet again, which is a nice thing for those who are really starting to get itchy to get that growing season started, maybe do some planting. We're seeing more of that, not out of the woods, but it's nice to see those overnights where we stay above. And then we'll see the clouds a little bit more likely over to the east, a little bit more on the clear side to start the day on Friday, with increasing clouds during the day. Friday should be dry, so I want to jump ahead to Saturday. This is Saturday morning. We're seeing rain moving in from the south with our next system. So morning hours, you might have some opportunity to get some things done in the yard before the rain moves in, especially in the northern valley. But this does take over as the day goes on, and we're looking at the potential for rain lasting into Saturday night, lingering into the overnight hours, and even on Sunday. This is Sunday morning, areas of rain, perhaps not covering the entire valley, but there will be a shot of rain again on Sunday. So a couple of days this weekend where we're just a little more on the gloomier side. We'll have that better chance for rain coming up during that time frame as well. And then next week we stay unsettled, but we are still looking mild. Overnight temperatures still in that 40 to 50 degree range, and our daytime temperatures that are in that 60 plus range, even potentially getting to 70. So we're looking at the potential when we see these showers move through that there could be a rumble of thunder as well. On Saturday we could see some thunderstorm activity. Would be just kind of general thunderstorms, but still we know lightning is dangerous. Got to keep an eye out for that if you're going to be outside.
That's true. All right. Well, at least we have today to kind of enjoy before all this rain comes in.
Yeah, today's going to be beautiful. Enjoy it while you can. Even tomorrow will be dry, just not as beautiful as today.
Oh, well, one or the other, right?
Yeah, right.